If I want to find out the amount of space inside the cuboid, I can investigate it by packing this 1 cm cube into the cuboid to see how many will fit perfectly inside, and that will determine the volume of the cuboid. So let's see how we do that. So that's my first one. Let's pack as many as we can. You can count alongside. So you could see that I could fit 16 of the smaller 1 cm cube into the cuboid. So the volume of the cuboid could be written as 16 of the small 1 cm cube, or 16 centimeter cube. Now you realize that we could see this is 4 cm. Why? Because each side of the cube is 1 cm, and 4 of the cubes fit perfectly on the edge of the length, 2 fit on the width, and 2 fit on the height. Therefore we can say the dimension of the cuboid is 4 cm, 2 cm, and 2 cm. So to work out the volume, we multiply 4 times 2 times 2. That still gives us 16 cm cube. That is why the formula is given as length times the width times the height in any order. It doesn't really matter which order. Length times width times height is the formula for cuboid. Cube the same, length times length times length, because all the sides are equal. So quickly, if we're supposed to work out the volume of this cuboid, you just multiply the length times the width times the height, and that will give us 36 cm cube. Literally, it means that you can pack 36 of 1 cm cube into the cuboid box. This question is the reverse. Cuboid is given as having a volume of 120 cm cube. Height is given, length is given, width is missing. So you just go by the same formula. The volume, which is 120, is equal to 4 times 12 times a number. That is the x. So in solving equation, 48x, 4 times 12 is 48. So 48x is equal to 120. 120 divided by 48, x is 22.5 cm. To verify, 4 times 12 times 2.5 so gives you 120 cm cube.